Hi everyone, Amy Love here, and I came on to share with you my latest creation using the beautiful digital kit Divine Moments by Ooh La La Vintage Treasures and a bunch of beautiful laces and embellishments from Angel Dream Crafts Kim on Etsy. And you will find a link to both those shops below in my description box, so be sure and go check it out because I'm in love with all the things. So I had a friend who gifted me this banner, and it was just a white canvas banner that was already attached to this rope. And it's a really nice banner. So it's been sitting in my room for I don't know how long, waiting to be embellished. And I finally was inspired to work on it, and I couldn't be more happy about how it turned out. Now it's very, very long. It's like 8 feet long. It's just incredible. So of course I'm not going to fit it all in here, but I did take a little video of it hanging around my staircase, and I will attach that to this video so that you can see a look of it hanging up. But so it has this really great twisted cotton, which I love. It's very nice. So the thing about this that is really great is everything moves on the rope. So I didn't glue anything down where you couldn't move it on the rope. So no matter where you hung it, you could adjust it to how you wanted. So even all the tassels I created will slide up and down. So they are completely adjustable. And I did put a tassel on each side of each pennant because I just thought it needed it and it looks so pretty. So I was organizing my laces the other day, and I took all of the laces that are great for tassel making and put them in their own box because I found that so helpful for times like this when you need to make 18 tassels. It was very nice to have all of the tassel trims in one box. So I used, of course, the Divine Moment Angels. They're just beautiful. I printed them out on fabric, and then I stickled them up. I did sew them each one to fusible fleece, so they have fusible fleece on the back. And then I just zigzag stitched them down on top of this beautiful tulle fabric that I got from Angel Dream Crafts. So I put that first, and then I sewed this angel down on that. And then I added this beautiful trim. This trim right here was actually a gift from one of my bonus daughters for Christmas. It was so sweet. She gave me a box of lace, and I was like, well, that's the sweetest gift. And then I put one of these dangle flowers at the bottom with this really pretty bling piece from Kim's. Isn't that angel precious? And then I put this rosette trim across the top on this one. So every other pennant has an angel, and then the one in between the angels has these hearts, which when you stick a giant bow on a heart, it's hard to tell that it's a heart, but it is a heart from the Divine Moments kit that I also printed on fabric and put on fusible fleece. And these what do you call that? Pinking shears. I used pinking shears to cut these hearts out. And then every pennant has the base of the tulle fabric from Angel Dream Crafts. And then I used the gorgeous pleated tulle trim from Kim's shop on the heart ones. And then another, this little flower dangle is on each one, but they have different centers. So this is another beautiful center from Kim's shop. It's pink with gold flecks. Isn't that gorgeous? Just love it. And on this one, I put this big rosette trim that I think I got from my friend Julie Kay, but somebody did gift it to me, and I love it. So that's what's on the top, I think, of all the heart ones. I'm pretty sure all the angels have the pink rosette trim, and then all the hearts have this big white rosette trim, which is so pretty. And then here is two more tassel bunches. I thought of putting maybe just one in between each one, but I didn't like the way it looks. It really needs two, one on each side of each pennant. So here is the angel on that one. Isn't it beautiful? And I, of course, stickled them. I just think they're so gorgeous. I absolutely adore this kit. So on this one, it has 2 little hearts instead of 1 big heart. Also from Divine Moments. So sweet. And then here is the angel on this one. This was so fun to make, and it is just completely beautiful. Just beautiful. It's very floofy. So here's another of the 2 hearts. Cute. And I just think these are beautiful printed on fabric and then stickled. They're just gorgeous. I love them. And then here's another one of the big hearts with the big bow. And then this is the last angel. So I absolutely love how it turned out. I mean, it's just a big project, and I just am not going to be able to show you the whole thing, but I am going to attach a video right now that will give you kind of a better view of it. But I love the way it turned out. I'd love to know what you think. Please leave me a comment and a thumbs up. And don't forget to go by and check out Kim and Doreen's shops. And I will see you guys soon. Bye, everybody.